A lot is happening, and I'm so ready. XRP is going to take us to the 1%, guys. And by the end of this one, I'll show you how it's going to break all-time high. It's pretty actually simple. Take a look at what's on the screen right here, because just in a matter of more weeks, we're going to start shifting into a more bullish territory. And I'm seeing Bitcoin, I'm seeing Ethereum, and I'm seeing the altcoin index. And I have a projection that I want to digest with you little by little, because yeah, kind of like $1 XRP is it's in our brains right now. It's like, okay, I don't really pay attention to it because we are looking into 100 XRP, 10 XRP, 1,000 XRP. You've seen the crazy price predictions that we have explored. Not saying that it's going to happen, next year, but we have explored all kinds of different variables. But here, what you're seeing right there is a pattern, a projection from what happened 3 years ago. And based on the way we're walking little by little, XRP is due for a pump, for a delicious, beautiful pump. There's some things that I'm looking at, so I'll tell you everything. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel because we're bullish, making some good money on Margex as well. We have 4 positions active. 1 is down, 3 are up. And I just want to leave them there and keep growing them. So first link down below. I'll tell you more in just a second. I want to go over this one, which is great. This one, which is still not altcoin season yet. And well, here. I've been saying for a while in my previous videos that I like Ethereum and Bitcoin levels as of right now. It's helping the altcoins. It's helping the altcoins not dive in price. And as long as Bitcoin can come back up in this upcoming week, it's game over. It's game over. And we're basically going to be seeing BTC breaking that 70, cracking the 71, and then just going all the way up there. We have all the good news already. We've been talking about them, so I'll touch base on that soon. But here's the deal when it comes to TA. What we are looking at here is the 12-month low for 2022, 2023, 2024. We have lower highs, period. What it means is that from 27, 30, and 40, it's good. It's obviously indicating that we're going to have another low, but it's expected to be much higher than 40. Okay, way much higher than 38, 40, which is really good. It could be roughly around 44 or could be even in the 50s. And that's kind of like what I'm looking at, guys, because if we go back here to where I got this pattern, which is right prior to the 2021 bull market, because this, guys, is the bull market of 2021, right? So look at this. It's exactly what occurred after a nice dip. The price of XRP started running, and it took a while. You're looking at the weekly chart. This is not daily. This is not hourly. This is not 4 hours. This is weekly. So if you look, the projection is that we're going to step forward. I don't want to get to my 100,000 XRP goal. I'm this close, and I invite you guys to look at it, because the deal with this token called XRP from Ripple is that I am not sure when we're going to fully materialize the value that this token has for the entire world. Most of us who kind of like do this for a living and understand the daily grind, we see the vision. It's like, oh, multi-billions using it, trillions coming in. Yes, we've heard on some interviews. We know that $1 XRP is literally not a big of a deal. Like, it's going to occur eventually, but because it's going to take a while for adoption and people understanding what in the world is crypto, just ask yourselves how many times you talk to people and they don't want to know about crypto because they don't understand. I went to the clinic just 2 days ago. I was kind of like talking to random people, and I was like, you guys know Bitcoin, you guys know crypto? And they're like, oh, I've heard of it, but I don't want to do it because I don't understand. So multiply that by millions, and a lot of people just don't understand, so they don't do it, right? But for this 2025, there's retail people that are going to be finally waking up to meme coins, to Bitcoin and crypto, to Ethereum, and of course to XRP. And until XRP is actually wide adopted into those banks, into those asset managers, and we have a better person at the chair of the SEC and even a new president, then we're no longer going to see those mega pumps that are going to take us to $100 and more. So I think it's eventually coming in, I will say by the end of 2020s, right? Why not? It kind of looks like this way it's going to happen. But for now, how we're going to be looking at the next price surge and explosion for this token, it might be something like this, where we are just holding on. And this, guys, is November. So holding on a little bit. It will depend, of course, on what Bitcoin does. But it's going to start with a nice mega pump that is going to take us well past $1. And then, we could have some retracements because people want to sell. Can you believe that? People want to sell still just barely $1. Yeah, it's going to happen. Then after that, we continue with another pump. And then finally, I think we are going to be due sometime in the middle of 2025 with the last pump XRP can do. Call it $2, $3, $5. And I mean, why wouldn't XRP do $5 and literally just finally break the $2 12-month high back in 2021? Because we have waited so long, and the entire projection will just dramatically change. But you kind of see how in 2023 we almost crushed that panel, and we haven't been able to be somewhat at the middle. If I bring my RSI right here, you'll notice that we are not overbought. We're kind of like in a sweet spot right now. And this is the weekly. Back in 2020, we were overbought. Well, we haven't been overbought in a long time. So I think it wouldn't really, it's just not crazy to say, by 2025, $3, $2 plus is possible, right? So this is something that I'm like, I want to accumulate, and I've been saying this for a long time. I want to accumulate personally like as many as I can for under $1, because above $1, paying $1 for one XRP, I mean, I think that's so pricey. I don't know. It's just the way that it is. I mean, there's billions of XRP in circulation. Would you pay 1-to-1? Billions of dollars, right? And there's obviously whales who hold so much XRP. So just something to think about, right? I mean, I really think that a big, massive pump is coming. That is why you got to sign up to Margix right now, guys. First link down below, there's up to 10,000 welcome bonus. No KYC. And there's like 67 of you guys with me trading every single day, making our plays, making our big gains. And, I do have some positions there. This one is 53 or so percent up, 52% up, 37% up. It depends which kind of margin you use, 5x, 20x, 50x. But at the end, guys, it pays off to be risky. I opened this one, somewhere here or so. I mean, and it was so cool, right? Now that I'm thinking, it's like, what a great choice. So I want that for you as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe, sign up, and get ready. Because this is just an idea, right, of what I'm thinking it could happen. It could be a much better explosion. Why? Well, because we're not considering, that's just the bull market. That's just like actual bull market scenario, because we're going to pump. But I'm not adding here to the conversation that Gary Gensler leaves or we actually win, which we will win the SEC lawsuit and everything. That could bring way more attention and just send it to the levels that a lot of people talk about. $10. $10 for one XRP. It pays off so much of the gains. It pays off so much of the work. And I'm just so excited. So guys, there you have it. A price prediction analysis, which I think is healthy in a way. There's so much to go. And every single week, it allows you to join the ship. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you next time. Peace.